Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to change Instagram username font. For that, we need to go to Google or any other thing. I was going to Microsoft. Click here font style and search it. So here have a one website link. I was clicking on that. So I was typing I provide solutions. Here see we have different types of fonts. I was taking one, copy it, go to Instagram, click on profile, click on edit profile. Here ask you that I provide solution. Click on right button, click on that. So now my font size was changed. Thank you.